First noticed the hip pains about 2 years ago when I was hunting. I noticed I had to periodically stop more often because it felt like a pulled groin muscle. And then I got an x-ray and my doctor said, "No, I'm going to send you to a hip specialist because I think you need a replacement."
In order to offer the same-day total hip patient, we have to have the right candidate.
Barry is a relatively young, relatively healthy gentleman who was vigorous and active and had a desire to not stay in the hospital overnight.
I'm feeling good. Was a little restless last night sleeping. Took a shower and then was here at the hospital at about 5:15.
The biggest advantage of having same-day surgery for total joint replacement is that the patient will have less exposure to the hospital. The other advantages are for the patient. They just feel better at home. Their loved ones don't have to be inconvenienced. The patient doesn't have to be inconvenienced.
And it's not painful, so it'll be quick.
Thanks.
You get a grip like that.
We involve the patient's caregiver from the beginning. We encourage the patient's caregiver or the coach to come to the pre-op class. We also encourage the coach to come to the therapy gym and even for discharge instructions. So we encourage a lot of family participation.
Okay, thanks. You are welcome.
After a hip replacement, the most important thing is that they do some gentle stretches and that they elevate their feet and that they get up and move around and try to walk a little bit more each day and spend some time exercise walking.
It's been about 5 weeks since I had the operation, and I'd have to say that I'm at least 95% where I was before without the pain.
As time goes by, I think we're going to see somewhere around 30% of our total hip replacements will be done as outpatients. I think the patients will seek it out.
I would highly recommend the same-day procedure. They explained everything to me, and what was reassuring to me is they kept asking me, "Are you sure you still want to do this?" And they follow up. They just don't turn you loose. It's like a relationship.